We all know that drug is illegal, and sometimes addictive substance that causes in behavior and taken for the effects. There are three reasons why marijuana should be legalized. First, it is used as medical value and as a recreational drug with relatively mild side effects. Second, it will help the government programs by lending tax on it. Finally, it is because prohibited does not help the country in any way and cause a lot of problems. First of all, marijuana can be used as medicine because it helps to stimulate appetite, relieve cancers, and AIDS patients. Secondly, marijuana can help the government to save lots of money by lending tax on it and would have a lot more money to pay for effective, effective drug education programs and other important causes. Finally, marijuana should be legal because prohibition does not help the country and causes a lot of problems. Why? Because it is available. You do not have to be 21 to buy marijuana. Marijuana dealers usually don't care how old you are as long as you have money. And that's why prohibition does not work. Education and treatment are better ways to solve the drug problem. In my conclusion, I conclude that marijuana should be legalized because it helps many patients and also use it in time of need.